In this video, we'll show how Excel AppMaker handles errors during runtime. We start on the main form of Excel AppMaker, where we click on the Activity Control button to open a form with the same name. Once the form is open, it's important to note that the data shown in the graphs comes from a database table. To demonstrate how errors are handled, we will force a failure. I'll close the form and open the corresponding database table in design mode, which locks the table for exclusive use. Now, when we return to Excel AppMaker and try to reopen the activity control form, an error message appears. This error message gives detailed information, including the error description, where the error occurred, the form and function, as well as details like the app version, Excel version, and operating system. However, notice that the line number in the error message is shown as 0, because the necessary lines haven't been added to the VBA code yet. In the bottom corner of the form, there is a button to open the folder where the error log is saved, which helps developers monitor the error history. Next, I open the VBA editor to find the function where the error occurred. Even though the message tells us the function, it doesn't show the exact line where the problem is, so we have to review the entire function to find the cause. To make it easier to identify the exact error line, we can use a tool in Excel AppMaker called Read VBA Code. This tool automatically adds lines to the code to help pinpoint where errors happen. I'll click the Add Lines to VBA Code button, and you'll see the extra lines appear in the VBA editor. These lines are useful for tracking errors, but they can make the code a bit messy, so we usually only add them to the versions of the app that are sent to clients, not during development. Now, I'll run the activity control form again while the table is still locked. This time, the same error message appears, but now it shows the exact line where the error occurred. Finally, I open the VBA editor again, and you can see how the error handling routines now show the exact spot in the code where the issue is. This makes it much easier for developers to find and fix errors. This method can be used in any VBA project, and is a best practice for making error handling more efficient.